right, so yesterday was 60. Today it's snowing and in the 30s, so crazy weather. But just came out here to the one loft that I have my sat nets in and the 2 tipplers. They had put laid eggs. I let one round hatch. Those 2 babies there. You see the one is a different color. It's a blue, a little bar. All the other ones are lace. I'm going to keep that one, but I have these other laces. A couple of them I'm gonna sell just because I have too many. But a couple of 2 tipplers are hens, and they made it up with these satin net cocks. So I took advantage of that, not needing any more of them right now. So I put eggs in there. So I got 2 babies under here. And they're from a good pair of my racing pigeons. One's the cockbird's a what am I losing my thought here? A Macaroni pigeon, and the hen is a Hubin, mostly, I believe. So got them in here. I'm gonna go over to our loft and feed the birds. Before we go to the main loft, I want to show you these birds. These are 2 that I picked up yesterday. I picked them up mainly because of colors. These are nest mates. So that's the hen. If I can zoom in. Which I was told she's, what is it, a blue bar with bronzing. They call it a kite. That's what I was told she was. And then this guy, this is the guy that, cockbird. This is the one that I really caught my eye at first that I wanted. Because I love reds. But it was an unusual red. So what I was told on this one is this is a red with the sooty gene. So a sooty red or a dirty red. So I've got these. They come from racing homers, but mainly got them to try to breed some different colors. So we'll see how these go. I was going to breed them together, but somebody suggested that I cross them out with something else. So we'll see what I decide. But yeah, these are the 2 new ones I picked up yesterday. Got them in quarantine in their own cages. Separate them so he's not driving her. Gave them ivermectin for dewormer. And then I'm going to give them their vaccines and such. So, being here for a couple weeks. All right, we're over here in the breeders section. So the eggs that were under that bottom pair with that dark check and a blue bar they laid a single egg and it wasn't fertile, so just pitched that the other day. These should be hatching soon. This is a grizzle pair. There's 2 eggs under there. See if we can take a look. Yeah, they're starting to chip out. I don't know if you can see that. starting to chip out, so they'll be in soon. And over here, Black Eagle pair, or Black Eagle with the blue bar. I got 2 babies under there. This guy's made it with the red hen. Got 1 little baby under there. All right, buddy. And then, oh, they jump off the nest all the time. They just laid that egg today. So, a little slower with the second round. Then I have a few pair upstairs that I'll show you that are in separate breeding cages. All right, here we are upstairs. I have 3 pair up here. They're in a separate section. Cockbird here's, this red is a son of the red hen downstairs. And I got him with a small Czech hen. These 2 up here, Black Eagle hen with a Wolverine line Gannis cockbird. Nothing going on yet. And then this, I have 2 Macaroni birds. The hen is the blue bar, and the dark check is the cockbird in the back. They're building a nest, but no egg yet. The cockbird there was mated with another Czech hen for the first round before I got this hen. So they have babies. In this section. So this is the young bird section. You guys. Alright, just go in here. These are my young birds so far from the first round. That red, a couple blue bars. This one up here is offspring of that Macaroni cockbird, along with that bird on the left, which looks more like the mom. The 2 blacks are from that Black Eagle to blue bar pairing, and then of course the grizzles from the grizzle downstairs that has eggs chipping out now. But happy with everything, how the birds are turning out so far. Really like that blue bar right there. I can show you. Tail's like perfect. All of them are looking really good. They're starting to figure out how to use the perches instead of being piling up on top of each other. And then I have this corn cob bedding. I had the pelleted stuff before and I didn't care for it at all. It's too dusty. This stuff's great. I mean, you can see the droppings pile up like that. And then I just come in with a kitty litter scoop through it and sift it. And you really don't lose much of your bedding at all. So I'm really liking this. There's no dust or anything like that. The only downside is you see when you walk out, you track the stuff out, but that's the only downside I see so far. Go ahead and feed these guys. Just try to keep food in here pretty much all the time. I haven't cut their feed yet. They're still young, they need to develop. But on the feed, I'm doing garlic oil on the feed, and then I'm doing the Young Bird Developer by Castle. And these guys, their food. And then I got the Breeder Advantage from Castle that I'm using for the breeders. And then I also tried the Acidifier Plus for the water. It's supposed to have a replace like the need for apple cider vinegar, just to make the water acidic. And then it also has electrolytes and stuff like that in it, so it's like an all-in-one product. So trying it out, see how I like it, but I think the birds are turning out really nice. Just excited for more to hatch out, see what they are. And for these, for my breeders I have in the cage, I'm really anxious for them to produce some eggs. But that's what I got going on here. Figured I'd share with everybody, so hopefully everybody's breeding's going well. Got plenty of nice healthy babies. Please comment, thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe if you haven't. You got a lot of new subscribers, but looking in with the metrics, there's a lot of people that the majority of the watchers aren't subscribers. So I'd like to see what I could do to get some more subscribers added. But I appreciate everybody watching. Have a good time.